Yo, what's up, everybody? This is Byron, and I wanted to show y'all some clips of fake service dog. And let me show my picture right now. Okay, you guys, I wanted to show y'all some clips of fake service dog, and I want to bring this up. Do y'all think that Truthfully Trisha, YouTuber Truthfully Trisha, her dogs are service dogs? Because Charlie and the other dog, I don't know what the other dog's name, they always hyper and a little bit aggressive, and they don't really act like they're service dogs. But give me your opinion based upon fake service dog, the situation. Do y'all think that her dogs are real service dogs? And give me your opinion about my commentary and everything like that. Let's go. And I don't own these clips. I'm just giving my commentary on it. And this is under fair use. And yeah.
San Diego handlers rant.
What the heck? Dog trying to go the other way. You ain't supposed to do that. That don't look like a service dog at all.
Excuse me, I called mall security. You need to live with your dogs.
And that dog was just barking like,
No, it's not. Yeah, security will come.
and some people are pretending to be blind. Some people pretending to be disabled.
No.
And it gives people that are really disabled, physically disabled, a bad
I
name
don't care.
because of these
I don't
imposters.
care if it's an accident. You didn't even try to clean it up. You just let your dog pee.
Oh, wow. A service dog is normally trained, but they said that the owner of the dog, of the service dog,
Security is coming to ask you to leave.
the owner of the service dog can, I guess, train it themselves, according to Kaylee R video that I watched when she did a commentary on fake service dog and stuff. And I seen a video where this lady, she's a YouTuber, I think her name is Lexi or some Lexi Guide About or something like that. Sorry if I'm pronouncing your name wrong. But she was like somewhere, I guess, in a mall or somewhere. And this guy's dog just ran up to this other dog and attacked her service dog. This fake service dog attacked her service dog, and she was like really shaken up. And I understand. And these people, these imposters, make it harder for people that have real service dogs. And tell me what y'all think about this.
You cannot bring pets into the mall. I'm sorry. Service dogs don't bark at people. They don't try to bite people.
Yep,
They don't
that's
pee
true.
inside a store. This is
Nope,
what I do
they're
for a
trained.
living. I am a service dog trainer. I've done it for 18 years.
Yep, she's right.
Yes, they do, which is why we're trying to crack down on it.
Yep,
Whether the
I'm
dog
glad
helps
that
her or
they're trying.
that's I don't care about that. If it
Crack
helps her,
down.
fantastic. But it cannot bark or
Too
be
much
aggressive.
of it's going on.
Which means you must leave with the dog.
Just leave, ma'am. Just leave.
I don't mean to get in your face.
She think that
but
she's
You
entitled.
basically told me to fuck off.
Oh wow, sorry about the language, you guys. I didn't know it was gonna be on this video. Sorry about that.
I don't care. Your dog shouldn't be peeing inside.
Yeah, that's
Yeah, I figured you don't. I figured you
that's
don't.
not a trained service dog at all. Ugh.
You know what? Properly trained dogs don't pee inside stores
Exactly,
when they're proper
exactly.
service dogs. Hell, I was in.
Yeah, this woman that's talking in the background, that's recording it, she absolutely right. Service dogs do not pee, especially in public, and they do not bark, like this dog was barking and everything like that, and they're well mannered. Service. It's the difference between a regular dog that's not a service dog and a actual service dog. See, these people then took an advantage of bringing their pets inside of public places where they don't need to be, and they're not service dog. And a lot of people that's trying to do the right thing, they might change laws where they are required to register their information in the database of their medical, reasons and stuff like that, which that's, HIPAA law. And also that's, because somebody's medical needs are confidential, is, due to the HIPAA laws and stuff like that. And people probably shouldn't have to, but these imposters are making it harder for everybody to trust people whenever they do come in with their dogs and they are real service dogs. You know what I'm saying? So comment down below, let me know what y'all think. Until then, peace out, subscribe, like, comment, and all that good stuff. And stay up, stay positive, stay woke, and I'm out.